Donald Trump has said 29 times. अगर वो झूठ बोल रहे हैं तो अपने भाषण में यहां प्रधानमंत्री कह दें कि वो झूठ बोल रहे हैं। अगर दम है तो यहां पे प्रधानमंत्री बोल दे कि ट्रंप झूठ बोल रहे हैं। 50% भी है इंदिरा गांधी का तो यहां बोल दे। 50% होगा तो बोल देगा। सर अभी तो मैंने ओपनिंग नहीं किया सर,
आपका समय
अभी तो मैं सेट हो रहा हूं।
समय आपका कम है।
अगर सचमुच में दम है तो आज शाम यहां प्रधानमंत्री को कह देना चाहिए डोनाल्ड ट्रंप इज अ लायर, झूठ बोल रहा है डोनाल्ड ट्रंप। प्राइम मिनिस्टर हैज नॉट सेड हाउ डेयर मिस्टर ट्रंप इनवाइट मिस्टर मुनीर टू हिज ऑफिस। आई मीन व्हिच प्लैनेट इज द foreign minister sitting on? Like, please come down. I don't know where you are. Come down. Donald Trump has said 29 times. 29 times he said. 29 बार उन्होंने बोला कि भैया मैंने सीज फायर करवाया है। अच्छा, अगर वो झूठ बोल रहे हैं तो अपने भाषण में यहां प्रधानमंत्री कह दें कि वो झूठ बोल रहे हैं। यहां पे अगर दम है तो यहां पे प्रधानमंत्री बोल दे कि ट्रंप झूठ बोल रहे हैं। If he has the courage of Indira Gandhi, let him say here that Donald Trump, you're a liar. That you did not make a ceasefire and that we did not lose any planes. Let him say it here. If he has the courage. 50% भी है इंदिरा गांधी का तो यहां बोल दे। 50% होगा तो बोल देगा, बोल देंगे। सॉरी सर, एक साइड से 7th फ्लीट आ रही है, बोलने दीजिए सर मजा आ रहा है।
ऐसा नहीं
सर अभी तो मैंने ओपनिंग नहीं किया सर,
आपका समय
अभी तो मैं सेट हो रहा हूं।
समय आपका कम है।
अभी सेट हो रहा हूं सर, थोड़ी ढील दीजिए। अगर दम है, अगर सचमुच में दम है तो आज शाम यहां प्रधानमंत्री को कह देना चाहिए डोनाल्ड ट्रंप इज अ लायर, झूठ बोल रहा है डोनाल्ड ट्रंप। सर एक नई चीज चली है, एक नया शब्द चला है, न्यू नॉर्मल। कि न्यू नॉर्मल है, एक्सटर्नल अफेयर्स मिनिस्टर नहीं है बट वो यूज करते हैं। भाषण में उन्होंने कहा कि सारे के सारे देशों ने टेररिज्म को कंडेम किया है। एब्सोल्युटली 100% करेक्ट। मगर उन्होंने यह नहीं बताया कि पहलगाम के बाद एक भी देश ने पाकिस्तान को नहीं कंडेम किया है। Not a single country has condemned Pakistan. Everybody has condemned terrorism. What does it mean? That the world is equating us with Pakistan. Earlier, when the UPA government was there, it was very clear Pakistan is promoting terrorism. And they used to condemn Pakistan for promoting terrorism. Now, not a single country has condemned. Acha, very interesting, another fact. I mean, sometimes this external affairs minister amazes me. मतलब चौंक जाता हूं मैं. He says that now even defense minister, we have deterred Pakistan. Acha, you have deterred Pakistan? Fine. The man behind Pahalgam is a Pakistani general called General Munir, Chief of Army Staff. That man is having lunch with the President of the United States. He is sitting there. Our Prime Minister cannot go there. Mr. Trump is breaking all protocol, and he's inviting the man who has done terrorism in India to have lunch with him. Prime Minister hasn't said anything. Prime Minister has not said, how dare Mr. Trump invite Mr. Munir to his office.
माननीय सदस्य इसको
Right?
माननीय सदस्य ये
Now let me say what Donald Trump has to say.
माननीय सदस्य ये
Speaker,
सदन
sir,
ये
let me say what Donald Trump
माननीय
has to say.
सदस्य ये सदन की संपत्ति है,
Sorry,
इसको
sir.
मत तोड़ो।
Sorry sir, गलती हो गई.
ये कई काम से
Now, we have, according to this government, they have deterred Pakistan. And the mastermind of the whole operation is having lunch with the president. Mastermind. After that, the president of the United States says, reason I had him here was I wanted to thank him. I wanted to thank him for what? I wanted to thank him for not going into the war and ending it. Let me repeat it. The reason I had him here for lunch was I wanted to thank him, the man who carried out Pahalgam. I wanted to thank him for not going into the war and ending it.
Shame, very shame.
Now, currently, General Munir, US General Michael Kurilla, head of their command structure, and generals from 4 Central Asian countries right now are having a conference on how to prevent terrorism. Right now. So while these people are running around telling the world that Pakistan has done terrorism, the United States is having lunch with the man and organizing and trying to figure out how he can help them fight terrorism. I mean, which planet is the foreign minister sitting on? Like, please come down. I don't know where you are. Come down. You have flown off somewhere. Right? The second thing, new normal. New normal is the chief architect of Pahalgam is having lunch with the President of the United States. New normal.